Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example from mensuration. ABCD is a rectangle with AB given as 20 cm and BC as 15 cm. SXT are points on the circle with center O such that DSA and DTC are tangents to the circle. The radius of the circle is 4 cm and Tx is a diameter of the circle. The shape DSXT is removed from the corner of the rectangle, leaving the shaded shape shown in the second diagram. Calculate the area of the shaded shape. So let us understand the question first. In the first diagram, they have given a rectangle ABCD whose length is 20 cm and width is 15 cm. And here they have given a shape that is a circle and there are two tangents touching it, that is DSA and DTC, and the radius of the given circle is 4 cm. In the second shape, we are going to cut out this corner shape so that we get the remaining shape in this form. Now we have to find out what is the area of the remaining shape. So let us concentrate on the corner shape first. So here is the corner shape. Now this corner shape is made up of two shapes. One is the circle, which we see with the center O, and the second shape is a square, or you can call it as a rectangle as well. Now how did we come to the conclusion that this can be a square or a rectangle? The first clue given in the question is DSA and DTC are tangents to the circle. Here, since DTC is a tangent, we know from tangent theorem that the tangent always makes 90 degrees with the radius of the given circle. So here DTC is a tangent and OT is a radius. So we can write angle OTD or OTC is 90 degree. Now the next thing is the point D is one of the angles of the bigger rectangle. So we know that from the properties of rectangle, each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. So angle D also becomes 90. Now OS is a radius and DSA is given as a tangent. So again, using tangent theorem, we can say that radius makes 90 degrees with the tangent. And since we are considering this as a quadrilateral, that is square or a rectangle, all the angles should add up to 360 degree. So angle O also becomes 90 degree. So let me redraw all the angles over here now. Now OT is a radius 4 cm. So OS is also radius, so we can take this also as 4 cm. And since we are considering this as a rectangle or a square, I will consider it as a square. So opposite sides will be equal. So since OT is 4 cm, SD also becomes 4. And since OS is 4 cm, DT also becomes 4. So now this area is got. That is, we can consider this as area of a square. Now we have to find out the area of the remaining portion. Now this can be considered as the area of a major sector. You can see this is a bigger sector out of the entire circle. So this angle of the major sector is going to be 360 degrees minus 90 degree, which is already there in the square. So the angle of the sector is going to be 270 degree. So we got the angle of the sector, or the central angle of the sector. And since the radius is 4 cm, we have the central angle of the sector and radius of the sector. So now we can see that the area of the shaded region is equal to the area of the entire rectangle minus the area of the square plus the area of the major sector. So you can see here I have written area of the shaded region is equal to area of the entire rectangle minus area of the small square at the corner plus area of the major sector OTXS. So now let us write the respective formula. So here we have the area of the rectangle as length times width, and area of square is side times side, plus area of the major sector is given as theta over 360 times pi r square, where r is the radius of the sector and theta is the central angle. Now let us substitute the respective values. Length is 20 and width is 15. So let us substitute here 20 times 15 minus Now the side of the square, we had got it as 4 and 4. So 4 times 4 plus theta over 360. That is, theta of the major sector is 270. So 270 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi times radius of the sector is 4 square. Now here 20 times 15 is 300 minus, so let us see what is the bracket value we get now. So here we have 4 times 4 plus 270 times pi times 4 square over 360 is 53.699. So let me write here 53.699. So here 300 minus 53.699. Let us check how much we get. So 300 minus answer gives us 246.3. So the area of the shaded region is 246.3 centimeter square. So to find the area of the shaded region, we have made use of the area of the square and area of the major sector. And after removing this area, we get the area of the shaded region. Now let us move on to the next part of this question. Calculate the perimeter of the shaded shape. Now we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is, we are going to sum up all the sides of the given shape. So we have to find out the length of SA, AB, BC, CT and the arc length DXS. So let me write down here. So here we have added all the sides of the given shape. Now let us find out what is the length of SA. Now here in the previous part of this question, we had found that the value of SD was 4 cm and the value of BC is given as 15. So AD is also 15 cm since this is a rectangle, out of which 4 is being assigned to the side DS. So the remaining part SA becomes 15 minus 4, which is 11. So we can write here SA is 11. And AB is 20 as given in the diagram. BC is 15. Now to find CT, we had found in part A again that the DT value, the length of DT was 4 cm. And here the value of AB is 20. So its opposite side CD is also completely 20 cm, out of which 4 is given to DT. So the remaining length of CT is 16. So let us write here 16. Now the one thing which is left in this entire shape is the value of arc length TXS. So in part 1 of this question, we had got the central angle as 270 degree. And we know that the radius of the circle is 4. So to find this arc length, we are going to make use of the arc length formula. SA we got it as 11 plus AB was given as 20 plus BC is 15 centimeter plus CT we got it as 16 plus arc length formula is theta over 360 times 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle and theta is the central angle. So let us add all the numbers. We get the value as 62 plus theta is the central angle of the major sector, so 270 over 360 times 2 pi times the radius of the sector is 4. So let us now find out the value of arc length. So 62 plus, so the value of arc length we got it as 6 pi, or in decimals we'll get it as 18.8495. So let me write here 18.8495. So take till 3 decimal places or 4 decimal places for the intermediate steps so that you get very accurate and precise answers over here. So let us add this answer with 62. So we get this plus 62 as 80.849 or 80.85. So I will round it off as 80.85 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the shaded shape. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. If you know any other way of solving this example, do comment below. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.